In this video, you will see how to change line spacing in Word on iPad. It's very easy. First, you need to tap here on the Home tab. After tapping on the Home tab, you need to long press inside the Word document and then click on Select All to select all the text inside your document. After selecting, you need to click here on this icon under the Home tab, which is a paragraph formatting option, and scroll down until you see this option of line spacing. Tap on line spacing and you will see here various options of line spacing from 1 to 3. Right now the spacing is 1, so you can just tap on any spacing, for example 2.0, to give double space in your Word document. In this way, you can easily change line spacing in Word on iPad. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word on iPad quickly.